Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the new group, that is the 7th year group elements, chemistry second year English medium part 1. What is the 7th year group elements? What is the properties of the 7th year group elements? How is the preparation of the chlorine and bromine in laboratory? Next, another one, structure of oxyacids of the chlorine. That is the discuss the about the 7th year group elements properties. That is the 7th year group elements. So here is the first one, the 7th year group elements. 7th year group elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine and astatine belongs to 7th year group elements. Here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine belongs to 7th year group elements. It is also called as a halogens. 7th year group elements also called as a halogens because of those elements are produced from the sea water. So here is those elements are produced from the sea water. Sea water, that is the salts producer. Salts producer is also called as a halogens or halides. 7th year group elements also called as a halogens. It indicates the X. X is equal to 7th year group elements. Those are for first one fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Those elements belongs to 7th year group elements or 17th group elements by the IUPAC notation. Those elements also called as a halogens because of those elements are produced from the salts producers or sea waters. So it is also called as a halogens or halides. Halides indicated by the X. X is also called as a halogens or halides. Next, another one. In 7th year group elements, fluorine is the more reactive elements. So here is in 7th year group elements, the first element is the fluorine. Fluorine react with the all elements in periodic table. So it is also called as a super halogen. Fluorine is also called as a super halogen. Here is the super halogen. Because of in 7th year group element, fluorine is the more reactive. Here is reactive with the all elements in modern periodic table. So it is also called as a super halogen. In 7th year group elements, first element is the fluorine atom. Fluorine atom exists the more reactivity. It reacts with all elements in modern periodic table. It is also called as a super halogen. Super halogens. Next, another one, the general electron configuration of 7th year group elements is NH2 NP5. NH2 NP5. Here is the number of s orbital exists the 2 electron and number of p orbital exists the 5 electron. So here is the 2 plus 5, 7 electrons are exist the outermost electron. So it is also called as a 7th year group elements. In 7th year group elements, outermost shell consider only 7 electron. So it is also called as a 7th year group elements. Next one, electron configuration of 7th year group elements. So here is the first one, fluorine, next one chlorine, next one bromine, next one iodine, next one astatine. In 7th year group elements, astatine is the radioactive elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine is the non-metals. Here is those elements also existence of the gaseous nature. Here is the astatine is the radioactive metal. So here is electron configuration of here is the 7th year group elements. Fluorine atomic number 9, chlorine atomic number 17, bromine atomic number 35. Here is the iodine atomic number 53. Next astatine atomic number here is the 85. So electron configuration of the fluorine, helium atomic number 2, here is the 2s2 2p5, 2s2 2p5. Here is the inert electron configuration of helium, helium atomic number 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9, that is the atomic number of the fluorine. Next one chlorine, chlorine atomic number 17, neon atomic number 10, 3s2 3p5. Next one bromine, here is the argon atomic number 18. Next one 3d10 4s2 4p5. Next one krypton, iodine atomic number 53, electron configuration of iodine, krypton atomic number 36, 4d10 5s2 5p5. Next one xenon atomic number 54, here is the 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p5, that is the electron configuration of the 7th A group elements. In 7th A group elements, all outermost cell, all elements outermost cell consist the only 7 electron, that is the 2s2 2p5, 3s2 3p5, 4s2 4p5, 5s2 5p5, 6s2 6p5. All outermost cell consist only 7 electron, so it is also called as a 7th A group elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine outermost cell consist only 7 electrons, so it is also called as a 7th A group elements. Next one, general properties of the 7th A group elements. First one, physical state. First one, physical state. In 7th A group elements, here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are gases. Here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is the gases remaining. Here is the astatine. Here is the fluorine, chlorine. Here is the F2. F2, Cl2 is the gases. Next one bromine, Br2 is the liquid. Next another one iodine is the solid. Iodine and astatine, two compounds also called as a solid. Here is the physical state of 7th A group elements. Fluorine, chlorine. Fluorine, chlorine is the gases and bromine is the liquid, remaining iodine and astatine is the solids. That is the first property of the physical state of the 7th A group elements. Next another one, atomic radius. Atomic radius. Second one is the atomic radius. Second one, atomic radius. Atomic radius is indicated the R, the distance between the center of the nucleus. Here is the distance. The distance between the center of nucleus to the outermost electron and atom is called atomic radius. The distance between the center of the nucleus to the outermost electron and atom is called atomic radius. That is also called as a R. It indicates the R. In 7th A group elements, fluorine 2, iodine or astatine, atomic radius increases because of number of cells are increases. So top to bottom atomic radius increases. Here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. In 7th A group elements, top to bottom fluorine to iodine, atomic radius increases because of number of cells are increases. Next another one, the metal nature. Here is the metal nature. What is the metal? The elements of losses of electrons, any elements or any atom, the loss of electrons nature is also called as a metal nature. A gain of electrons also called as a non-metals. So here is the In 7th A group elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. 4 elements also called as a non-metals. Non-metals means that the gain of electrons. That is also known as a non-metals. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine is the non-metals. And iodine, astatine is the radioactive metal. Here is the metal. In 7th A group elements, top to bottom, non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature is the increases. Non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature is the increases. So here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is the non-metals in 7th A group elements, but astatine is the radioactive metal. Radioactive metal. So in 7th A group elements, top to bottom, non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature is the increases. Next, another property, electron affinity. Here is the electron affinity. Here is the AN or electron affinity. In any atom, removal of one electron or one electron is added to the outermost cell of isolated neutral gas of an atom. One electron is added to the outermost atom of an isolated neutral of the gas atom. That is also called as a electron affinity. So in electron affinity, one electron is added to the outermost cell, then that is also called as a electron affinity. So in electron affinity, fluorine to iodine decreases, but here is the fluorine to chlorine electron affinity is the increases, but chlorine to iodine is the decreases because of here is the repulsion forces of the outermost cell. So here is the fluorine to chlorine electron affinity increases, but chlorine to iodine electron affinity decreases. In modern periodic table, more electron affinity atom of chlorine is the more electron affinity of in modern periodic table. Next, another one, electronegativity. Loss of electrons, gain of electrons, nature also called as a electronegativity. The tendency of any atom gain of electrons, that is also called as a electronegativity. Here is the En means that the electronegativity, the tendency of any atom gain of electrons, that is also called as a electronegativity. Here is the 7th A group elements are more electronegative elements in modern periodic table. Here is the fluorine to iodine electronegativity, here is the decreases because of atomic radius increases. Atomic radius increases, electronegativity is the decreases. In 7th A group elements, fluorine is the more electronegative atom in modern periodic table. Fluorine atom is the more electronegative atom of the in modern periodic table. That is the electronegativity. Next one, IP means that the ionization potential. The removal of one electron from the outermost cell of, so it is also called as a ionization potential. The one electron is removed from the outermost cell of isolated neutral gas of an atom is called ionization potential. In 7th A group elements, ionization potential, here is the fluorine to iodine, IP values is the decreases because of atomic radius increases. Atomic radius increases, ionization potentials also decreases of IP values in 7th A group elements.
Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about the oxidation states of the 7th A group elements. Chemistry second year English medium part 3rd. Today discuss about the oxidation states of the 7th A group elements or halogens or halides. All 7th A group elements are halogen elements exhibit -1 oxidation states. All halogen elements exhibit -1 oxidation state. remaining chlorine, bromine and iodine exhibit +1, +3, +5, +7 oxidation states. So here is those oxidation states explained by the given below of the ground state electron configuration, first existed electron configuration, second existed state electron configuration and third existed state electron configuration. Here is all 78 group elements or halogen elements exhibit -1 oxidation state. -1 oxidation state. However, remaining elements chlorine and bromine, remaining iodine, those elements are existed -3, remaining +1 and +3, next one +5 or +7 oxidation states. Those oxidation states are explained by the given below of the electron configuration. For example, halogen ground state electron configuration. Halogen elements ground state electron configuration NH2, NP5 and D0. Here is the ground state electron configuration of the 78 group elements are NH2, NP5 and D0. Number of s orbital consists 2 electron and number of p orbital consists the 5 electron and number of d orbital consists the 0 electron. So here is the number of s orbitals are consisting of the 2 electron and the number of p orbital existed. Px is the 2 electron and py orbital is exists the 2 electron and pz orbital exists of only one lone pair electron or one unpaired electron. All halogen elements exhibit -1 oxidation state because of ground state electron configuration NH2 NP5. In pz orbital exists the -1. Pz orbital exists the one unpaired electron or one lone pair electron. So those elements are exist the -1 oxidation state or +1 oxidation state because of ground state electron configuration. Pz orbital consists the only one lone pair electron or only one unpaired electron. So accounts for those elements are having the -1 or +1 oxidation state because of ground state electron configuration NH2 NP5. So pz orbital exists the only one unpaired electron or only one lone pair electron. So those elements are exhibit the -1 or +1 oxidation states of the halogen elements. Here is the oxidation states of the halogen. All 78 group elements, all halogen elements exhibit the -1 oxidation state because of one unpaired electrons of the pz electron, that is the ground state electron configuration. So those elements exist the one unpaired electrons of the ground state electron configuration. So those elements are existed +1 or -1 oxidation states. Remaining another one, first existing state electron configuration. In halogen elements, first existing electron configuration NH2, NP4 and D1. Here is the NH2, NP4. Here is the py orbital is existed of the ND1. It is jumping with the one electron from the ND1. So that is the NH2, NP4 and ND1. Here is the NH2 orbitals are exist the only 2 electron and the number of NP4 is the 4 electron. 1, 2, 3, next one is the 4. Next ND1. So here is the first existed electron configuration, that is existing the 3 unpaired electron. 1, 2, 3. 3 is the unpaired electron or lone pair electrons. So those elements are having the +3 oxidation state. Remaining second existed electron configuration of the halogen elements is NH2, NP3, ND2. The number of s orbitals exist the 2 electron and number of p orbital exist the only 3 unpaired electron, 3 lone pair electron. Remaining ND2. Here is the number of d orbital exist the 2 unpaired electron. 2 plus 3, that is the 5 unpaired electrons of second existed electron configuration of the halogen elements. So second existed halogen elements consist or exist the 5 unpaired electron or 5 lone pair electron. So those elements are having the plus 5 oxidation state due to the presence of 5 is the unpaired electron or 5 is the lone pair electrons are existed in second existed electron configuration of the halogen elements. Next another one, third existed electron configuration. Third existed electron configuration. Here is the NS1, NP3 and the NP3. Here is the NS2. Here is the number of s orbital, that is the second. Here is the NS1. Here is the one electron jumping from the d orbital. So here is the number of s orbital exists the one lone pair electron or unpaired electron. NP3. Here is the 3 is the unpaired electron remaining NP3. 3 is the 3 unpaired electron or 3 lone pair electron. So total unpaired electrons are 7. 7 unpaired electrons are existed in third existed electron configuration of the halogen element. So halogen elements having the plus 7 oxidation state due to the presence of 7 lone pair electrons are existed in third existed electron configuration. So all halogen elements are all 7th group elements exist the minus 1 or plus 1 oxidation state and plus 3 and plus 5 and plus 7 oxidation states due to the presence of the unpaired electrons are existed in ground state electron configuration, first existed electron configuration and second existed electron configuration and third existed electron configuration. In ground state electron existed electron configuration, one unpaired electron. So those elements having the plus 1 or minus 1 oxidation state. Remaining first existed electron configuration is the NH2, here is the NP4 and NP1. Here is the 3 is the unpaired electron. So here is the those elements are exist the plus 3 oxidation state. Second existed electron configuration, here is the NH2, NP3 and NP2. Here is the 5 unpaired electrons are present in second existed electron configuration. So those elements are having the plus 5 oxidation state. Remaining third existed electron configuration NH2, NS1, NP3, NP3. Total 7 unpaired electron or 7 lone pair electrons are consist the third existed of electron configuration of the halogen elements. So those elements are having the plus 7 oxidation state. That is the oxidation states of the 7th group elements. Remaining anomalous behaviors of the fluorine or anomalous properties of the fluorine. In 7th group elements, first element is the fluorine, remaining chlorine, bromine and iodine. Next one is the astatine. Here is the first element is the fluorine. In 7th group elements, first element is the fluorine. Fluorine is the small atomic size. Here is the first element, high nuclear charge, high electronegativity. So here is the anomalous properties of the fluorine. Fluorine show the anomalous properties due to the presence of small atomic size or small atomic radius or small atomic number, that is the 9. Small atomic number or small atomic size and highest electron enthalpy. Highest enthalpy, bond energy. Here is the F bond, F R, remaining H bond F. Here is the high enthalpy, low fluorine, bond enthalpy. Here is the next one. Here is the high electronegativity. Highest electronegativity in 7th group elements. All elements are reacting with the fluorine atom. So fluorine also called as a superhalogens. So it exists the highest electronegativity. Electronegativity means that the tendency of any atom gain of electron. That is also known as a electronegativity. Fluorine having a highest electronegativity remaining of all elements in modern periodic table. Next another one, low bond enthalpy, that is the fluorine bond fluorine remaining opposite of the d orbital. So those elements are, so those properties are existed in fluorine atom. So iodine. That is the anomalous properties of the fluorine atom. Remaining chemical properties of the 70 group elements. That is the first one, reaction with the hydrogen. In 70 group elements, all elements react or combining with the hydrogen atom to form of a hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halide, that is also known as a Reinhardt HX. It is also known as a hydrogen halides. X means that the halides are 78 group elements. X also indicated by the 78 group elements. So all 78 group elements react or combining with the hydrogen elements to form of a hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halides. For example, hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. That is the hydrogen stability. Stability of the hydrogen halides. The hydrogen stability top to bottom decreases. Here is the HF. HF is greater than HCl, is greater than HBr, is greater than HI. That is the stability. Hydrogen halides stability is the top to bottom decreases because of bond enthalpy. Bond energy is the decreases. Bond energy also decreases and stability order is the decreases. That is the HF is greater than HCl, HCl is greater than HBr, is greater than HI. That is the hydrogen halides. Remaining second one is the reaction with the oxygen. All halogen elements are all 78 group elements react or combine with the oxygen to form of a oxyfluorides, oxybromides and oxyiodides. For example, here is the most of the oxyfluorides and oxyhalides are unstable. For example, fluorine forming two type of oxides, or fluorine combining or reacting with the oxygen to form of a OF2 and O2F2. OF2 or O2F2, that is also known as a fluorine oxides. There is the only OF2 is the oxy difluoride is stable at 298 kelvins. Remaining of the O2F2. Here is the O2F2, two oxides. Both of oxides are the fluorinating agents. O2F2 and OF2 also known as the fluorinating agents. That is the oxides of the fluorine atom. Remaining chlorine oxides. Chlorine combining or react with the chlorine atom to form of a different oxides of the chlorines. Cl2O, chlorine monoxide. Chlorine dioxide, ClO2. Next chlorine hexoxide, Cl2O6. That is the Cl2O7. That is also known as a chlorine oxides. Next one, bromine combining with the oxygen to form of a bromine oxides. That is also known as a Br2O. BrO2, bromine dioxide. Bromine dioxide, BrO3. Next one, no. Those are the unstable oxides of the bromine atom. There is the BrO2 and BrO3 and Br2. That is the bromine oxides are the less oxides of the bromine atom. Remaining iodine combining with the oxygen to form of a iodine oxides. That is the, for example, here is the I2O4. Next one, I2O7. That is the iodine oxides. Iodine oxide. Here is the all halogen elements combining or react with the oxygen atom to form of a different type of oxyfluorides, and oxybromides. Next one, oxyiodides. That is the oxides of the hydrogen. Oxides of the halogen elements are 78 group elements.
Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the another chemical properties of the halogen elements. Chemistry second year English medium, part 4. That is the third one is the reaction with the metal. Halogen elements react with the metal. For example, magnesium metal or seventh A group elements or halogen elements react or combining with the metal to form of a metal halides. Metal halides. Here is the M also known as a metal. Next one combining with the halogen to form of a metal halides. MX2 type of halides. So here is the M also known as a metal, X also known as a halogen elements. All seventh A group elements are halogen elements combining or treated with the halogen elements to form of a metal halides. For example, magnesium is the metal. Magnesium metal combining with the halogen elements of bromide. That is also known as a magnesium combining or treated with the bromine atom to form of a magnesium bromide. Magnesium bromide, that is also known as a metal halide of the magnesium metal. That is also known as a magnesium metal halide. Magnesium also known as a metal. Next one is the bromine also known as a halogen elements. So here is the metals combining or treated with the halogen elements to form of a metal halides. For example, magnesium combining with the bromine to form of a magnesium bromide, MgBr2. It is also known as a magnesium is the cation and bromine also known as a anion. That is the magnesium bromide. That is also known as a metal bromide. Next one, reaction with the halogen elements. Reaction with halogen elements or interhalogens. Interhalogens. Here is the halogen elements react with the another halogen elements. All halogen elements combining with the themselves of the another halogen elements to form of a type of interhalogens, like that XX-1, XX-3, XX-5 and XX-7. That is also called as a interhalogens. Interhalogens means that one halogen elements combining or treated with the another halogen elements to form of a interhalogens. For example, here is the XX-1, XX-3 and XX-5 and XX-7. It is also known as a interhalogens. Here is the where X is also known as a large size of halogen elements. X is the large size of the halogen elements. Here is the X. First X is the large atomic size and X dash is the small atomic size. First one X is also known as a halogen element, large atomic size, and second one X dash also known as a small atomic size. For example, ClF. Here is the interhalogen. Chlorine also known as a large atomic size, fluorine also known as a small atomic size. That is also known as it is a type of XX-1. And the second one is the XX-3, ClF3. Cl is the large atomic size, F3 also known as a small atomic size. It is a type of XX-3. First one is the halogen element and second one is the halogen element. So to form of a XX-3 type of interhalogen, for example ClF3. And XX-5, that is the example of ClF5. That is also known as the interhalogen of ClF5. Here is the Cl is the large atomic size and fluorine also known as a small atomic size. It is also type of XX-5. Next one XX-7, that is also known as a IF7. That is also known as XX-7. It is also called as a interhalogen elements. All halogen elements exhibit the color properties. That is also known as a fluorine exhibits the yellow color and chlorine exhibit the greenish yellow. And bromine exhibit the red color and next iodine exhibit the violet color. That is also known as a color properties of the halogen elements. All halogen elements exhibit the color properties or combining with the UV radiations and absorbing with the UV radiation, then exhibit the color properties. For example, here is the fluorine. Fluorine exhibit yellow color. Next one, chlorine exhibit the greenish yellow color. Next one is the bromine is the red. Next one, iodine is the violet, that is the color properties of the 7th A group elements or halogen elements. Next, another one, preparation of the chlorine. Preparation of chlorine. Here chlorine is prepared by the Scheele. Here is the first one. Chlorine was discovered in 1774 by the Scheele. Remaining Davies. Later Davy established in chlorine nature, that is exhibit the color nature, that is also known as a greenish yellow. Greenish yellow, that is also known as a chlorine exhibit the greenish yellow color. That is the first one, preparation of the chlorine. Here is the very important preparation of the chlorine in 4 marks question or 8 marks question. That is the first one, preparation of the chlorine. Here is the Scheele is prepared by the action of HCl with the manganese dioxide or combining with the HCl with the manganese dioxide. That is the first preparation. By the heating of manganese dioxide, that is the formula of MnO2. By the heating of the manganese dioxide with the concentration hydrochloric acid. Concentration of hydrochloric acid, then form of the chlorine. That is also known as a Cl2. Next one MnCl2. Next one 2H2O. Here is the 1 mole of manganese dioxide are treated with the or heating with the concentration hydrochloric acid, then form of manganese chloride. Next one is the chlorine. Next one is the 2 moles of water. That is the first preparation. Scheele was prepared by the action by the heating of the manganese dioxide with the concentration hydrochloric acid. That is the first preparation. By the heating of the manganese dioxide with the concentration hydrochloric acid, then form of the chlorine. Remaining, however, the mixture of common salt, that is also known as a salt. Sodium chloride also known as a common salt, and concentration sulfuric acid is used in the place of hydrochloric acid. Here is the instead of used by the hydrochloric acid, next instead of the hydrochloric acid, that is the concentration H2SO4 and common salt. Here is the manganese dioxide combining or heating with the common salt and hydrochloric acid, that is the NaCl. Next one is the H2SO4. Here is the however the mixture of the common salt like that sodium chloride and concentration H2SO4, that is the used place of the hydrochloric acid. The first preparation, manganese dioxide heating with the concentration hydrochloric acid. But here is the instead of the hydrochloric acid, it is used common salt, that is the mixture of sodium chloride. Next one is the sulfuric acid. Those two mixtures are heating by the manganese dioxide, that is the instead of the hydrochloric acid, then form of the chlorine. That is also known as a preparation of the chlorine. That is the first preparation. And the second one is the by the action of the hydrochloric acid with the potassium permanganate, then form of the chlorine atom. Here is the second preparation, the KMnO4, that is also known as a potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate heating with the or combining with the hydrochloric acid, then form of the chlorine atom. Here is the first one, 2 moles of the KMnO4, that is also known as a potassium permanganate. 2 moles of potassium permanganate heating with the 16 moles of the hydrochloric acid, then form of 2 moles of potassium chloride, 2 moles of manganese chloride, 8 moles of H2O, then 5 moles of the chlorine atom. That is the preparation of the chlorine. Next, second one is the Deacon process. Very important 2 marks question. How is the preparation of the chlorine with the Deacon process? That is the second question. So 2 marks question. How is the preparation of chlorine by the Deacon process? How is the preparation of the chlorine with the laboratory method? Here is the laboratory method, and the second one is the Deacon process. In Deacon process, chlorine is prepared by the oxidation of the hydrochloric acid by the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of the cuprous chloride catalyst at 723 kelvins. then form of the chlorine. It is also called as a Deacon process. Here is the Deacon's name, that is also known as a scientist name. Here is the Deacon's process by the preparation of the chlorine by the Deacon method. Here is the Deacon method is the second process of the chlorine to preparation of the chlorine atom. Here is the by the heating of the hydrochloric acid or oxidizing with the hydrochloric acid by the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of the cuprous chloride catalyst at 723 Kelvin, then form of the chlorine. That is also known as a Deacon process. Or by the oxidation of the hydrochloric acid, that is also known as a HCl. By the atmospheric oxygen, atmosphere exists the oxygen. So oxygen in the presence of the cuprous chloride, that is also known as a catalyst. Rate of reaction is increases. So that is also known as a cuprous chloride. Then here is the form of chlorine. That is also known as a Deacon process. That is the preparation of the Deacon's process. Next, third one. The third method is the electrolysis process. In electrolysis process, chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of the brine solution or brine concentrated sodium chloride solution. Then chlorine is liberated at anode. That is also known as a electrolysis process. The first preparation is the laboratory method and second one is the Deacon process. Next, third one is the electrolysis process. That is the preparation of the chlorine with the three method. That is the first one, laboratory method, and the second one is the Deacon process, and the third one, electrolysis process. That is also known as a preparation of the chlorine in different methods. Third one is the electrolysis process. It is prepared by the chlorine atom or chlorine. Chlorine is prepared by the electrolysis process. That is the third method. Here is the chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of the brine solution. That is also known as a sodium chloride solution, also known as a brine solution. Then chlorine is liberated at anode. That is also known as a electrolysis process. For example, NaCl brine solution is electrolysis, or chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of the brine solution, then form of two ions, 2Na plus ion plus 2Cl minus ion. Then 2Cl minus ion gives rise to Cl2 plus 2 electrons minus. Then that is also known as an anode. Here is the chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of the brine solution. Sodium chloride is also known as a brine solution. Then chlorine is liberated at anode. That is also known as a 2Cl minus gives rise to Cl2. Chlorine is liberated at anode. That is also known as a electrolysis process. Next one, properties of the chlorine. It is a greenish yellow gas with pungent odor or suffocating odor. Here is the first property. Chlorine is a greenish yellow gas. Greenish yellowish gas with pungent odor or suffocating odor. For example, chloride also known as a anion. Any salts are taken in the dry test tube and adding with the concentration H2SO4, then suffocating odor or greenish yellow fumes are evolved in the test tube. Then chlorine is formed. That is also known as a anion of chlorine. Yellow gas with the pungent and suffocating odor. That is also known as a chloride. Next one, it is about 2 to 5 times of heavier than air. Here is the chlorine is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. Remaining, it is soluble in water. It is easily soluble in water. Next, another one, it combining or react with the metal and non-metal. For example, aluminum metal. Aluminum combining with the chlorine to form of a aluminum chloride, AlCl3. Next one, phosphorus is the non-metal. Here is the non-metal combining or treated with the chlorine to form of a PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Next one, sodium metal. Metal combining with the chlorine atom to form of a sodium chloride. Next one, iron metal, that is combining with the chlorine atom to form of a FeCl3, iron trichloride. Sulfur 8, it is also known as a non-metal. Sulfur is the non-metal. Here is the Si8, combining with the chlorine atom to form of a sulfuryl chloride, H2Cl2. That is also known as a chlorine react or combining with the metals and non-metal. That is the reactions of the metals and non-metals of the phosphorus, sulfur 8. Next one is the metals, aluminum, sodium. Next one is the iron. Chlorine is the more affinity with the hydrogen atom to form of a hydrochloric acid. Here is the chlorine. Chlorine is more affinity. Here is the chlorine is more affinity with the hydrogen atom to form of a HCl, hydrochloric acid. Here is the chlorine is more affinity with the hydrogen atom to form of a hydrochloric acid. That is the properties of the hydrogen atom. Next one, here is it is bleaching of the carbohydrates. Chlorine is the bleaching of the carbohydrate, for example sucrose and maltose. That is also known as a bleaching of the disaccharides and trisaccharides of the chlorine atom. That is the properties of the chlorine atom. Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of the chlorine. 7th A group elements, chapter name chemistry, second year English medium, part 2. Today discuss about the chemical properties of the chlorine. Yesterday discuss about the preparation of the chlorine. The chlorine is prepared by the 3 methods. That is, the first one is the laboratory method, and the second one is the Deacon process, and the third one is the electrolysis process. In these 3 methods, preparation of the chlorine. Remaining chemical properties of the chlorine. Chlorine is an yellow color, greenish yellow color gas with suffocating odor or with pungent odor and suffocating odor. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. It is easily soluble in water. Remaining, it reacts with the metals and non-metals like that aluminum, sodium, magnesium, potassium, sulfur 8. That is the metals and non-metals. The chlorine react with the metal to form of a metal chlorides and non-metal chlorides. For example, aluminum combining or treated with the chlorine to form of a aluminum trichloride. Phosphorus react or combining with the chlorine to form of a phosphorus trichloride. Next, iron react, that is the iron is the metal combining with the chlorine to form of a metal iron trichloride. Next, another one, sulfur 8. Sulfur is the non-metal to combining with the chlorine to form of a sulfuryl chloride. Remaining another chemical properties of the chlorine. That is the first one, reaction with ammonia. Here is the chlorine reacting or combining with the excess of ammonia, that is the 8 moles of ammonia. It is also known as the excess, that is the 3 moles of the chlorine. Here is the chlorine combining with the excess of ammonia, then form of dinitrogen and ammonium chloride. NH4Cl also known as a ammonium chloride, that is also known as a ammonium salt. Next, another one is the dinitrogen or nitrogen is formed. It is formed by the chlorine react or combining with the excess of, that is also known as a 8 moles. Here is the 3 mole. Here is the less quantity. Here is the high quantity. It is also known as a excess of ammonia combining with the chlorine to form of a ammonium chloride. It is also known as a ammonium salt. Next, another one is the nitrogen. Next, another one, ammonia react with the or combining with the excess of chlorine. Here is the excess of ammonia, but here is the ammonium combining or react with the excess of chlorine, that is the ammonium is the only 1 mole. 1 mole of ammonia react or combining with the 3 moles of the chlorine, that is also known as the excess of chlorine, to form of a nitrogen trichloride. It is also known as a explosive compound. Explosive compound. And another one is the 3 moles of hydrochloric acid is formed. Here is the reaction with ammonia. Chlorine react or combining with the excess of ammonia to form of a ammonium salt, that is also known as a ammonium chloride and nitrogen. But excess of chlorine combining or treated with the ammonia to form of a nitrogen trichloride. Another one, it is also known as a explosive compound. Another one to form of hydrochloric acid. Next, another one, reaction with sodium hydroxide. It is also known as a caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide, general formula NaOH. Here is the reaction with sodium hydroxide. Chlorine react or combining with this cold or diluted NaOH. Here is the caustic soda, also known as a cold NaOH. Here is the cool NaOH or diluted NaOH. Diluted NaOH combining with the chlorine to form of a common salt. Next, another one is the sodium oxychloride. Next one is the water. Here is the diluted or cold NaOH combining or treated with the chlorine to form of a sodium oxychloride. It is also known as a NaOCl, that is also known as a sodium oxychloride. Next one is the common salt. Common salt formula NaCl. Next, another one, here is the cold NaOH combining with the chlorine to form of a sodium oxychloride, and another one is the sodium chloride, that is also known as a common salt. Remaining concentration sodium hydroxide, but here is the cold NaOH, but here is the concentration sodium hydroxide, that is also known as a highly quantity of the sodium hydroxide. It is also known as a concentration sodium hydroxide combining or treated with the chlorine to form of a sodium chloride. Next, another one, sodium chloride. Here is the NaClClO3. It is also known as a sodium chlorate. Here is the form of sodium oxychloride, but here is the form of sodium chlorates. Here is the cold NaOH combining with the chlorine to form of a sodium oxychloride, but chlorine combining with the concentration sodium hydroxide to form of a sodium chlorates. Another one is the common salt and water molecule, that is the reaction with the caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. Next, another one, reaction with sodium calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide formula CaOH taken to, it is also known as a slacked lime. Calcium hydroxide, it is also known as a slacked lime. Chlorine combining with the calcium hydroxide to form of a bleaching powder. Bleaching powder formula CaOCl2.H2O. It is also known as a hydrated calcium oxychloride. Hydrated means that the water molecule. Calcium oxychloride, it is also known as a bleaching powder. It is also known as bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is formed by the chlorine combining or treated with the calcium hydroxide. It is also known as a slacked lime to form of bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride dot calcium oxychloride dot H2O. It is also known as a hydrated calcium oxychloride. It is also known as a bleaching powder. Slacked lime, that is also known as a calcium hydroxide CaOH taken to combining or treated with the chlorine to form of a bleaching powder. Next, another one, composition of the bleaching powder or condensation of the bleaching powder. It is also known as a very important in 2 marks question. What is the condensation of the bleaching powder or composition of the bleaching powder? Write the composition of the bleaching powder. That is the calcium oxychloride dot calcium chloride dot calcium hydroxide dot 2 moles of water molecule. It is also known as a composition of the bleaching powder. That is the composition of the bleaching powder consists the calcium oxychloride dot calcium chloride dot calcium hydroxide dot 2H2O. That is the composition or condensation of the bleaching powder. The bleaching powder consists the calcium oxychloride and calcium chloride and calcium hydroxide and 2 moles of water. That is the composition of the bleaching powder. That is also known as a 2 marks question in annual examination. Very important. Next, another one, reaction with organic compound like that methane. Methane also known as a organic compound. Here is the chlorine combining with the organic compound of methane. CH4 also known as a methane. Here is the methane reactor combining with the chlorine, or chlorine combining or treated with the methane. That is also known as a organic compound to form of a methyl chloride. Methyl chloride, that is also known as a CH3Cl. That is also known as a methyl chloride or chloromethane. Next one, form of the hydrochloric acid. That is the reaction of the chlorine react with the methane. That form of methyl chloride. Second one, organic compound ethane. Ethane general formula C2H4 or CH2 double bond CH2. It is also known as a ethene. It is also known as a double bond CH2 double bond CH2. That is also known as a ethene. Ethene combining or treated with the chlorine to form of a 1,2. Here is the 1,2 dichloroethane is formed. That is also known as a organic compound of the reaction of the chlorine. Here is the chlorine react with the organic compound like that. Methane and ethane. Methane and ethane, that is also known as a CH4 is the methane and second one is the C2H4 also known as a ethene. Methane or chlorine combining with the organic compound to form of a methyl chloride, but here is the chlorine combining with the ethene to form of a 1,2 dichloroethane. Next, another one, oxidation reaction. Here is the chlorine act as a oxidizing agent to form. Here is the iron converted to the ferrous converted to the ferric. Ferrous oxidizes to ferric. Second one, sulfate to sulfates. Third one, sulfur dioxide converted to oxidizes to sulfuric acid. Iodine converted to the iodic acid. That is also known as a oxidation reaction. Here is the oxidation reactions of the chlorine. Ferrous sulfate oxidizing with the chlorine to form of a converted to ferrous sulfate. Here is the FeSO4 also known as a sulfate, ferrous sulfate. The chlorine oxidizes to the ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate. Ferric sulfide Fe2SO4. That is also known as a ferrous. Here is the ferric sulfate. Next, another one, sodium sulfide oxidizes with the chlorine to form of sodium sulfate Na2SO4. It is also known as a sodium sulfate. Sulfite oxidizes to sulfate. That is also known as a sodium sulfate. Next, another one, chlorine oxidizes with the sulfur dioxide to sulfuric acid. Here is the sulfur dioxide oxidizes with the chlorine to form of a sulfuric acid. It is also known as a H2SO4. H2SO4 also known as a sulfuric acid. Next, another one, iodine oxidizes with the chlorine to form of a iodic acid. It is also known as a HiO3. HiO3, it is also known as a iodic acid. That is the 4 reactions also known as a oxidation reactions of the chlorine. Chlorine is the strong oxidizing agent of the chlorine atom in 7th group element. Here is the ferrous oxidizes to ferric. Sulfite oxidizes to sulfate. Sulfur dioxide converted to oxidizes to sulfuric acid. Iodine oxidizes to iodic acid. That is the oxidation reactions of the chlorine. Next, another one, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide reactor combining with the chlorine to form of a hydrochloric acid, and another one is the sulfur. Chlorine reactor dissolve with the water molecule to form of a hydrochloric acid, another one nazine, that is also known as a 2HCl plus oxygen. Next, that is the chemical properties of the chlorine, and another one is the uses of the chlorine. Chlorine also used for the bleaching of the wood pulps or manufacture of the paper and rayon and textile cottons, that is also known as a uses of the chlorine. This is the first one. Chlorine is also used for the bleaching of the wood pulps and manufacture of the paper, that is also known as a preparation of or manufacture of the paper and rayon and silk industry. Next, another also known as a cotton industry. Next, another one, chlorine also used for the extraction of the gold, that is also known as a aram, gold and platinum, that is also known as a extraction of the gold and platinum. Next, another one, chlorine also used for the manufacture of the dyes, like that organic compound such as a carbon tetrachloride, another one chloroform CHCl3, next another one dichloro diphenyl trichloroethene, that is also known as a DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethene, that is also known as a DDT, that is also known as a manufacture of the organic compound, like that carbon tetrachloride CCl4 also known as a carbon tetrachloride, and chloroform CHCl3 also known as a chloroform. Next, another one dichloro diphenyl trichloroethene, it is also known as a DDT. Next, another one, chlorine is used for the preparation of the poisonous gases, like that poison gas, tear gas. Next one is the mustard gas, that is also known as the preparation of the poisonous gases, that is used in the chlorine atom. Calcium oxychloride, it is also known as a poison gas. Next, another one, here is the CCl3.NO2, nitrogen dichloride, carbon trichloride and NO2, that is also known as a tear gas. Next one is the mustard gas, that is the uses of the chlorine atom. Next, another one, preparation of the hydrochloric acid. Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of the hydrochloric acid, chemistry second year English medium, part 5. Today discuss about the preparation of the hydrochloric acid in 7th year group elements. Here is the hydrochloric acid general formula of hydrochloric acid, that is also known as a HCl. HCl also known as a hydrochloric acid. Here is the hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. Here is the first scientist Glauber, that is also known as a scientist name. Glauber prepared the hydrochloric acid in 1648 by the heating of the common salt, that is also known as a sodium chloride. Sodium chloride also known as a common salt with the concentration sulfuric acid. Then prepare for the hydrochloric acid. Here is the first scientist name is the Glauber, that is also known as a Glauber is the scientist name. Glauber scientist prepared the hydrochloric acid with a reactor combining with the common salt or heating with the common salt with the concentration sulfuric acid. It is also known as a H2SO4, then form of the hydrochloric acid. The Glauber scientist heating with the common salt, that is also known as a sodium chloride, by the heating of the common salt with the concentration sulfuric acid, that is also known as a H2SO4, then form of the hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. Here is the first one, the preparation of the hydrochloric acid in laboratory method. It is the laboratory method. In laboratory, hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride is prepared by the heating of the common salt with the concentration sulfuric acid, that is also known as a H2SO4. In laboratory, the hydrochloric acid is prepared by the laboratory method by the heating of the common salt that is also known as a sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, it is also known as a common salt. Heating of the concentration sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 420 Kelvin temperature, then form of the sodium bisulfate and form of hydrochloric acid. It is also known as a hydrogen chloride, that is also known as a HCl. Here is also known as a sodium bisulfate or sodium hydrogen sulfate. In laboratory method, here is the common salt, that is also known as a sodium chloride. Sodium chloride heating with the concentration sulfuric acid at 420 Kelvin temperature, then form of the hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid, and another one is the sodium bisulfate. Next, another one, here is the in first reaction, here is the form of sodium bisulfate. When sodium bisulfate combining with the another common salt sodium chloride at 823 Kelvin temperature, then form of the hydrochloric acid and sodium sulfate. Here is the hydrochloric acid is prepared in two reaction in laboratory method. In first reaction, the common salt heated with the concentration sulfuric acid at 420 Kelvin temperature, then form of hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid, and another one is the form of sodium bisulfate in first reaction. Here is the form of sodium bisulfate in first reaction. When sodium bisulfate heating with the another common salt, that is also known as a sodium chloride at 823 Kelvin temperature, then form of hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid, another one is the sodium bisulfate. In two reaction preparation in laboratory method. Next, another one, properties of the hydrochloric acid. Here is the two reactions of preparation in laboratory method, that is also known as a preparation of the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is prepared in the laboratory by the heating of the common salt with the concentration sulfuric acid, then form of hydrochloric acid and sodium bisulfate in first reaction. When form of the sodium bisulfate treating or combining with the another common salt, then form of hydrochloric acid in second reaction, and another one is the sodium bisulfate. That is the two reactions preparation of hydrochloric acid in laboratory method. That is the preparation of the hydrochloric acid. Next, another one, properties of the hydrochloric acid. Here is the hydrochloric acid is the colorless liquid with pungent smelling gas. Here is the hydrochloric acid is the colorless liquid and pungent smelling gas, and it is easily liquefied to the colorless liquid. It is easily liquefied to the colorless liquid. Next, another one, in the boiling point 189 kelvins and freezes to the white crystalline solid. Here is the boiling point exists of 189 kelvins and freezes point white crystalline solid. That is also known as it is easily soluble in water and form of the ions. Hydrochloric acid is easily soluble or dissolved in the water molecule to form of a hydronium ion. Next, another one is the chlorine anion. It is easily soluble in water molecule or dissolved in water molecule to form of a ions. That is also known as a H3O plus. H3O plus also known as a hydronium ion. Next, another one is the chlorine is the anion. That is also known as a Cl minus ion. Here is the HCl, hydrochloric acid, dissolved or soluble in water molecule. Then here is the H2O, is the addition with the H plus to form of hydronium ion. Remaining, here is the Cl minus is converted. That is also known as a hydrochloric acid dissolved in water molecule to form of a hydronium ion and chlorine anion. Next property, a reaction with ammonia, that is also known as a NH3. NH3 also known as a ammonia. Here is the hydrochloric acid treated or combining with the ammonia to form of a ammonium chloride. That is also known as a white fumes of the common salt. That is also known as the ammonium chloride. Hydrochloric acid combining or treated with the ammonia to form of white fumes of the ammonium chloride. Here is the white fumes of ammonium chloride. White fumes of ammonium chloride. Here is the hydrochloric acid treating with the ammonia to form of a white fumes of the ammonium chloride, that is also known as a NH4Cl. Next another one, aqua regia. Here is the very important 2 marks question. What is aqua regia? Reaction with the Rm and platinum. 2 marks question. Here is the what is aqua regia? That is the 3 parts of the concentration hydrochloric acid. 3 parts of concentration hydrochloric acid, that is also known as the hydrogen chloride, and 1 part of the concentration HNO3, that is also known as a nitric acid. Those 2 mixtures called aqua regia. 2 mixtures also called as aqua regia. 3 parts of the concentration hydrochloric acid and 1 part of the nitric acid, that is also known as the HNO3. 2 compound mixed to form of aqua regia. Here is the what is aqua regia? 3 parts of concentration hydrochloric acid mixed with the 1 part of the concentration nitric acid. Those 2 mixtures also called as a aqua regia. How is it is used? It is used for the dissolving of the noble gases and Rm and platinum, that is also known as a gold and platinum. The aqua regia also used for the dissolving of the noble gases, that is also known as a helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, that is also known as a noble gases. Next another one, Rm, it is also known as a gold. Next one is the platinum. Here is the aqua regia, that is also known as the Rm, 4H plus and NO3, that is also known as a, here is the nitrate anion, chlorine minus. Here is the Rm is dissolved in aqua regia to form of a Rm tetrachloride. Next another one, platinum dissolved in aqua regia, 6 hydrogen H plus. Next one, 4 moles of NO3 minus ion, 18 moles of Cl minus ion, that is the condensation of aqua regia to form of a platinum hexachloride. Here is the platinum and Rm is dissolved in aqua regia. What is aqua regia? How is it used? Here is the 3 parts of concentration hydrochloric acid mixed with the 1 part of the concentration nitric acid. Those 2 mixtures also called as the aqua regia. Aqua regia is used for the dissolving of noble gases and gold and platinum. That is the Rm dissolved in aqua regia to form of a Rm tetrachloride. Next one, platinum dissolved in aqua regia to form of a platinum hexachloride. That is the uses of aqua regia. Next another one, another property, hydrochloric acid decomposes salts, that is also known as a salts of weaker acids, like that carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfides, sulfates, nitrites, phosphides. Here is the hydrochloric acid decomposes of weaker acids, like that carbonates, sodium carbonate. Next hydrogen carbonate, that is also known as a bicarbonate compounds, sulfides, SO3 sulfides. Next sulfate, SO4 minus 2. Next one, sulfide, Na2S, phosphides, that is also known as a decomposes of the salts, like that sodium chloride, common salt, sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, sodium sulfide, calcium phosphide, that is the salts of weaker acid. Here is the hydrochloric acid, that is also known as a hydrogen chloride, decomposes of sodium carbonate, that is the salt of sodium carbonate, decomposes of hydrochloric acid to form of sodium chloride, and another one is the carbon dioxide. Hydrochloric acid decomposes with the sodium carbonate to form of sodium chloride, or common salt. Next one, hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid decomposes with the sodium bicarbonate. It is also known as a bicarbonate compound, is converted to the common salt. Next one is the water molecule. Next another one is the carbon dioxide. Next one, hydrochloric acid decomposes with the sodium sulfide, Na2SO3, sodium sulfide 2 common salt, that is also known as a sodium chloride, H2O. Next one is the sulfur dioxide. Next one, hydrochloric acid decomposes with the sodium sulfide, Na2S. Na2S is converted to common salt, that is also known as a sodium chloride and hydrogen gas. Next, hydrochloric acid decomposes with the phosphide, phosphide to phosphine, PS3, that is also known as a weaker acids. Hydrochloric acid decomposes of weaker acids like that carbonate, example sodium carbonate, bicarbonates, example sodium bicarbonate. Next one, sulfides, example sodium sulfides. Next one, sulfides, sodium sulfide. Next, phosphides, Ca3P2, that is also known as a calcium phosphide, that is the decomposes of weaker acids. Weaker acids, that is also known as a like that example of carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfides, sulfates, phosphides, nitrates, that is the decomposition of the weaker acids. Next, another one, uses of the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used for the manufacture of the chlorine. Hydrochloric acid is uses. HCl uses. What is the uses of the hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid is used for the manufacture of the chlorine and ammonium chloride, that is also known as the ammonium salt. Next, another one, glucose. Here is the hydrochloric acid is used for the manufacture of the chlorine and ammonium salt of ammonium chloride. Next, another one, glucose, that is the uses of the chlorine. Next, another one, chlorine is used for the extracting glue, extracting of the glue from the bones and purifying the backbones or bone bags. Next, another one, chlorine also used for the medicines and as a reagent in the laboratory. Chlorine is used as a hydrochloric acid, HCl is used as a reagent in the laboratory. Next, another one, hydrochloric acid is used in the manufacture of the medicine, that is the uses of hydrochloric acid. Here is the uses of the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride is used for the manufacture of the chlorine and ammonium salt of ammonium chloride and another one, glucose. Next, another one, hydrochloric acid also used for the extracting of the glue from the backbones or extracting of the glue from the bones and purifying the bone bags. Next, another one, hydrochloric acid is used for the manufacture of the medicine. It is used as a reagent in the laboratory, as a liquid or oxidizing reagent in the laboratory. That is the uses of the hydrochloric acid. Next class, explaining or discuss with the halic acids or 7th A group halic acid. That is the halic 1 acid, halic 3rd acid, halic 5th acid. Next one is the halic 7th acid, that is the oxo acids of the halogens. Oxo acids of the halogens. Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the oxo acids of the halogens, chemistry 2nd year English medium, part 6. Oxo acids of the halogen. Here discuss about the oxo acids of the halogens. Halogens also known as a 7th A group elements. 7th A group elements are, that is also known as a fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. That is also known as a halogen elements. Here is the all 7th A group elements. That is also known as a halogens. Here is the fluorine oxides, chlorine oxides, bromine oxides, iodine oxides. Those oxides are dissolved in water molecule to form of oxo acids. Here is the fluorine oxides, that is also known as a O2F2 or OF2. Remaining another one, here is the chlorine, bromine, iodine. Chlorine forming with the ClO, ClO2, ClO3, that is also known as the dioxides, trioxides, hexoxides. That's all halogen elements combining with the oxygen to form of oxides, halogen oxides. Those halogens oxide dissolve in water molecule to form of oxo acids. That is the oxo acids of the halogens are 7th A group elements. In a halogen elements forming with the oxo acids are the 4 types. That is also known as the halic 1 acid, second one halic 3rd acid, halic 5th acid, halic 7th acid. All halogen elements forming with the oxo acids, those oxo acids are classified into 4 types. That is also known as the oxo acids based upon those oxide dissolve in water molecule to form of a oxo acids of the halogen. Those oxo acids of the halogens are classified into 4 types. That is also known as a halic 1 acid. Halic 1 acid, it is also called as a hypohalous acid. Halic 1 acid, it is also called as a hypohalous acid. Second one, halic 3rd acid. Halic 3rd acid, it is also called as a halous acid. Halic 3rd acid, it is also called as a halous acid. Next one, third one is the halic 5th acid. Halic 5th acid, it is also called as a halic acid. Halic acid. Halic 3rd acid, it is also known as a halous acid. Halic 5th acid, it is also known as a halic acid. Next one, fourth one, halic 7th acid. Halic 7th acid, it is also known as a parahalic acid. For example, here is the halic 1 acid. Halic 1 acid, it is also known as a hypohalous acid. Here is the halic 1 acid, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine forming with the halic 1 acid. Halic 1 acid, that is also known as a HOF. It is also known as a hypo. What is a halogen? Fluorine. So it is also known as a hypofluorous acid. Hypofluorous acid. Because of here is the fluorine forming with the only halic 1 acid. Because of fluorine exists the more electronegative atom, small atomic size. So it forming with the only one oxo acids of the fluorous, hypofluorous acid. That is also known as a HOF. It is also known as a hypofluorous acid. Next one, chlorine. Chlorine forming with the halic 1 acid. It is also known as a hypochlorous acid. Formula HOCl. HOCl, it is also known as a hypochlorous acid. Next one, hypobromous acid. That is also known as a halic 1 acid. Formula HOBr. It is also known as a hypobromous acid. Hypobromous acid. Next one, iodine. Iodine forming with the halic 1 acid. That is also known as a HOI. It is also known as a hypoiodous acid. Hypoiodous acid. All halogen element, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, those 4 elements are forming with the halic 1 acid. Halic 1 acid, that is the hypofluorous acid, hypochlorous acid, hypobromous acid, hypoiodous acid. Those are also known as a halic 1 acid. Halic 1 acid. Second one, halic 3rd acid. Halic 3rd acid, fluorine cannot forming with the halic 3rd acid because of fluorine exists the more electronegativity. It is also called as a superhalogen because of fluorine react with the all elements in the modern periodic table. So it is also called as a superhalogen. It exists the more electronegativity atom and superhalogen. Next another one, it has a small atomic size in 7th A group elements. So it does not forming with the halic 3rd acid. Halic 3rd acid. Next one, chlorine forming with the halic 3rd acid because of high atomic size. Next one, more electron affinity. more electron affinity, that is also known as a chlorine. Chlorine is the more electron affinity in modern periodic table. That is also known as the chlorous acid. The formula HOClO or HClO2. That is also known as a hypochlorous acid. Chlorous acid formula HOClO. That is also known as a chlorous acid. Next one, bromine does not forming with the halic third acid. Remaining iodine also cannot forming with the halic third acid because of here is the bromine and iodine. Those two elements does not forming with the halic third acid because of large atomic size. Next another one, no, here is the decreasing in nuclear charge. Here is the nuclear charge is decreases to the bromine and iodine. So here is the bromine and iodine does not forming with the halic third acid. Next another one, third one is the halic fifth acid. Halic fifth acid, it is also known as a halic acid. It is also known as ic acid. That is also known as a ic acid. Here is the fluorine does not forming with the halic fifth acid. Due to the presence of small atomic size, high electronegativity. Next one, it is also known as a superhalogen. So it does not or it cannot forming with the halic fifth acid. Remaining chlorine, bromine and iodine forming with the halic fifth acid. For example, here is the HOClO2 or HClO3. It is also known as a chloric acid. Chloric acid general formula HClO3 or HOClO2 or HClO3. It is also known as a chloric acid. Which type here is the halic fifth acid. Next remaining another one, bromic acid. That is also known as a halic fifth acid. Bromine forming with the bromic acid, that is also known as a halic fifth acid. HOBRO2 or HBRO3. It is also known as a bromic acid. Which type here is the halic fifth acid. Another one, iodine forming with the halic fifth acid. That is also known as a iodic acid with general formula HiO2 or HiO3. It is also known as a iodic acid. Which type here is the halic fifth acid. And the last one, fourth one is the halic seventh acid. It is also called as a perhalic acid. Here is the first one, fluorine cannot forming with the halic seventh acid. Same reason, due to the presence of small atomic size. Next another one, superhalogen atom. Next another one, it exists the more electronegativity atom. So it does not or cannot forming with the halic seventh acid. Next one, chlorine, bromine and iodine exist the large atomic number. So it forming with the halic seventh acid. That is also known as a perchloric acid. HOClO3 or HClO4. It is also known as a perchloric acid. Perchloric acid is the which type? Halic seventh acid. Remaining bromine forming with the halic seventh acid, that is also known as a HBRO3. It is also known as a perbromic acid. General formula HBRO4 or HBRO4. Which type here is the halic seventh acid. Next one, another one, periodic acid. General formula HiO3 or HiO4. It is also known as a periodic acid. Which type here is the halic seventh acid. That is the oxo acids of the fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Those elements are forming with the halic first acid, halic third acid, halic fifth acid, halic seventh acid. That is the fluorine oxo acids, chlorine oxo acids, bromine oxo acid and iodine oxo acids. Remaining another one, oxo acids of the chlorine. Here is the very important. What is the oxo acids of the chlorine? Write the structures and hybridization and structure name and bond angle. That is also known as the major important in annual examination. Write the oxo acids of the chlorine. Here is the chlorine forming with the 4 type of oxo acids. Chlorine forming with the 4 type of oxo acid. That is the first one, hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid general formula HClO or HOCl. HOCl, that is also known as a hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid. Here the chlorine first oxo acid is the hypochlorous acid. General formula HOCl or HClO. HClO or HOCl or HCl. Here is the chlorine ground state electron configuration NH2 NP5 ND0. Here is the number of s orbital exists the 2 electron and number of p orbital consists the 5 electron. Here is the total 7 electrons. So in the ground state electron configuration NH2 NP5 ND0. So here is the chlorine is the central metal atom. It exists the 3 lone pair atoms. One is the chlorine bonding with the 1 OH, that is also known as a hydroxy compound. In chlorine central atom undergo sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization and linear structure. sp3 hybridization and linear structure, that is the hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid. Next one, second one is the chlorous acid. Chlorous acid general formula HClO. HClO. HClO or HOClO. HOClO or HClO2 or HClO2. Here is the first existed electron configuration NH2 NP4 ND1. Here is the number of d orbital exists the 1 lone pair electron, remaining another one p orbital exists the 2 lone pair electron. 2 1 3 is the lone pair electron. So here is the chlorine HClO. HClO. Here is the chlorine is the central atom, 2 oxygen atom. Here is the 1 oxygen, next one bonding with the hydrogen atom. 2 is the lone pair electron. Here is the chlorine central atom undergo sp3 hybridization. It exists the angular structure. Bond angle consider the 111 degrees. 111 degrees. That is also known as a chlorous acid. That is the second type of chlorous acid. Next one, third one, chloric acid. Chloric acid general formula HClO3. HClO3. Here is the chlorine is the central atom. 1 chlorine atom, remaining 3 oxygen atom. 1 2 3. 1 hydrogen atom. So here is the in chlorine central atom undergo sp3 hybridization. It exists the 1 lone pair electron instead of the bond pair electrons. So here is the chloric acid exists the pyramidal structure. Bond angle is the 106 degrees. That is also known as a chloric acid. That is the HClO3 in second existed electron configuration of the chlorine atom. Next another one, fourth one, perchloric acid. Perchloric acid general formula HClO4. Here is the chlorine is the central atom. It exists the 4 oxygen atom. That here is the 1 2 3 4. Next one hydrogen atom. So here is the hydrogen bonding with the oxygen atom. So here is the chlorine undergo sp3 hybridization to forming with the 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. That is the 4 is the bond pair electrons. Here is the exists the tetrahedral structure. Here is the 1 2 3 4. 4 bond pair bonding of the oxygen atom and OH. That is also known as a tetrahedral structure. Bond angle consists the 109 degrees 5 minutes. That is also known as a chlorous acid. In oxo acids of the chlorine, all oxo acids of the chlorine, all central metal of the chlorine atom undergo which type of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. All, that is, there is the first one hypochlorous acid or chlorous acid, next one chloric acid or perchloric acid. 4 type of the oxo acids of the chlorine atom, the central atom undergo sp3 hybridization. Or all oxo acids of the chlorine undergo which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Remaining all oxo acids in chlorine bonding with the one OH group, that is also known as a Cl bond OH. All for four type of the chlorine oxo acid. For example, hypochlorous acid, chlorous acid, chloric acid, perchloric acid. 4 type of the chlorine oxo acid of the chlorine exist the single or one Cl bond OH, that is also known as a chlorine bond OH, that is also known as a oxo acids of the chlorine. Remaining another one interhalogens. Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about the interhalogens, chemistry second year English medium, part 7. Today discuss about the interhalogens. Interhalogen, what is the meaning of the interhalogens? When two different halogen react each other, then form of the interhalogens, or the binary compound of the halogens themselves to form of interhalogens, or when two different halogens react each other, then form of interhalogens, or the binary compound react or combining each other, then form of the interhalogens. For example, here is the X is the also known as a halogen elements, and X dash also known as a halogen elements. Here is the 2 is the binary compound combining each other, then form of interhalogens. Then form of interhalogen, that is also known as a X dash. Here is the X is a halogen combining or react with the another halogen atom to form of a interhalogen compound. When two different halogens react or combining each other, then form of interhalogens, or the binary compound of the halogens react each other, then form of the interhalogens compound. The interhalogen compounds are formed. Next, they can be assigned general compositions like that: X dash 1, X dash 3, X dash 5, X dash 7. Here is the binary. Two binary compounds react each other, then form of the interhalogen compounds are formed. Interhalogen compounds are formed. They can be assigned general compositions. General composition like that: X dash 1, X dash 3, X dash 5, X dash 7. Where here is the X is the halogen atom that exists the large atomic size. That is also known as a first X. First X also known as a halogen atom of large atomic size existed. Next one X dash, where here is the X dash also known as a halogen atom that exists the small atomic size. X dash also known as a small atomic size of halogen atom. X also known as a large atomic size of the halogen atom. Next one, the interhalogens can be prepared, that is also known as in laboratory method or different methods. Here is the preparation of the interhalogens. The interhalogen can be prepared by the direct combination of halogen. On lower interhalogen compound. For example, here is the preparation of the interhalogen compound. Here is the interhalogen compound can be prepared by the direct combination or combining or react or treating with the halogen or lower interhalogen compound. First halogen is the large atomic size, that is also known as a interhalogen, can be prepared by the direct combination of halogen on the lower interhalogen compound. For example, here is the first one, chlorine reactor combining with the fluorine in the presence of 437 kelvins, then form of CLF. CLF, it is also known as a interhalogen compound. Here is the chlorine is the large atomic size, fluorine is the small atomic size. Here is the equal value, that is the 1 mole of chlorine, 1 mole of the chlorine. Here is the equal volume of the chlorine, that is also known as a interhalogen compound or binary compound, react each other at 437 kelvins, then form of XX-1, that is the type of XX-1, it is the CLF. Next, remaining another one, Cl2, excess of chlorine. Here is the 1 mole of chlorine combining with the 3 mole of chlorines, 3 moles of the fluorine, that is also known as a excess of fluorine. Here is the 3 mole, here is the 1 mole, that is also known as CLF3. It is also known as a, which type here is the XX-3, that is also known as a interhalogen compound. Next, remaining another one, fluorine react or combining with the CLF3, which type here is the XX-3. Here is the halogen compound combining with the XX-3 to form of CLF5, which type here is the XX-5, that is also known as a interhalogen. Next one, I2 combining with the chlorine to form of a ICl. 2 moles of ICl, that is also known as a interhalogen compound. Which type here is the XX-1. Next, another one, iodine react with the excess of chlorine, 3 moles of the chlorine, then form of ICl3, that is also known as a X-3, that is also known as a interhalogen compound. Next one, bromine react with the 5 moles of the fluorine to form of a BRF3, which type here is the XX-3, that is also known as a interhalogen compound of XX-3. Next one, bromine reactor combining with the 5 moles of the fluorine to form of a BRF5. Here is the which type, that is also known as a XX-5, that is also known as a interhalogen compound. That is the, they can be assigned general composition like that, XX-1, XX-3, XX-5, XX-7. 2 binary compound of the halogen, 2 binary halogens combining each other or react each other, then form of the halogen compounds are formed. Halogen compounds are formed, that is also known as a XX-3, XX-5, XX-7. Those interhalogen compound can be prepared by the direct combination of the halogens at lower interhalogen compound, like that Cl2 combining with the fluorine at 437 kelvins to form of CLF, that is also known as a, that is the preparation of the XX- type, XX-5 type, XX-1, XX-3, XX-3, XX-5 types of the interhalogen compound can be prepared by these reactions. Remaining another one, structure of BRF3, explaining by the Vesper theory. Here is the Br is the central metal atom. Central metal atom is the bromine atom. In central atom, bromine can be existed 7 electrons. 7 electrons in valency cell. Here is the bromine which group element? 7th A group elements. The 7th A group element general electron configuration NH2, NP5, ND0. In outermost cell consists 7 electrons. So here is the bromine. Outermost cell consists the 7 electrons in valency cell. 7 electrons in valency cell. In 3 fluorine atom bonding, bromine bonding with the 3 fluorine atom. 1, 2, 3. 3 fluorine atom bonded with the bromine, then leaving with the fluor electrons. That is also known as 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaving of 4 electrons. Here is the 3 is the bond pair electron. 1, 2, 3. 3 is the bond pair electron. 2 is the lone pair electrons. According to BRF3 structure is the trigonal bipyramidal structure. That is also known as a structure of BRF3. Which type here is the XX-3 type of interhalogen compound of bromine trifluoride structure that is explained by the Vesper theory. Vesper theory. In BRF3, bromine is the central atom. It has a 7 electrons in the outermost cell. Bromine is in 7th A group elements. That is the outermost cell consists only 7 electrons. 7 electrons in the valency cell. Here is the bromine bonding with the 3 fluorine atoms. 3 fluorine bonds leaving with the 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, in BRF3 structure exists the 3 is the bond pair electron. 1, 2, 3. 3 is the bond pair electron. 2 is the lone pair electrons. Remaining, according to the BRF3 structure, it exists the trigonal bipyramidal structure. Trigonal bipyramidal structure. That is the structure of BRF3. It is the 7th A group chapter over. Thank you.